For most people, willpower is a character trait, and they believe it's genetics. They are either born with it or not. And there are people out there in the world who are lucky and have a lot of willpower, and then there are the losers who simply lack it. I tell you, this is complete BS. Willpower is a force which, according to Yoda, is with you all the time. The question is, do you put enough effort in this to master this force? Because the force is a real resource. You wake up every morning with a certain amount of that force. And it's up to you how you train and master it. You probably have heard about the word biorhythms throughout the day. You know that in late afternoon, early evening, your chocolate cookies are crying the loudest to be eaten. So it's important that you schedule everything you want to do to pursue your dream and goal early morning or when you have your peaks in your biorhythm. And you can do things to raise the amount of willpower you have in every single day. And it starts with the night before. Did you get enough rest? Was the quality of sleep good enough? Are you drinking enough water? Did you know that your brain is the organ in your body which needs the most amount of water? Water is crucial, and most people are constantly on a state of dehydration. Are you getting enough oxygen into your brain by opening the windows or going out for a nice walk or exercise? These are very simple things. It's simply biology. So whenever you feel the pain of longing to reach and accomplish something, and someone says to you, where there's a will, there's a way, give them a stop sign. Remember Yoda, who knows that the force is always with you. The willpower is not a character trait. It's a resource which is up to you that you train it and master it every day of your life. So please, as always, communicate with me. Leave a comment. What can you see in your life? Are you dips in your willpower? What triggers that? And what are you committing to do in the next days and weeks to increase your willpower every day? Is it sleeping more, sleeping better, drinking more water, fresh air? Whatever it is, I wish you the best. That was Sylvia Becker-Hill, your lady with the brain.